Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I'm in the house with the Custom Knife Factory muscle right here with me. We're gonna do a quick review of this big boy, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Look at this. Inside the pouch, of course, we've got the classic Custom Knife Factory red microfiber cloth, and of course you've got your pouch, and inside you're gonna find this ridiculous beauty over here. Look at that. This is a monster of a knife. It's a big boy. Look at that. Overall length of this one is going to be 9.5 inches with a over 4-inch long cutting edge, and I would say 4.25-inch long blade. So this is not a small knife by any means. It's a titanium frame lock designed by Barusha. You can see it over here. A lot of different milling patterns. Actually, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 patterns going on the handle on both sides. Of course, there's like this very fine machining that it's done. A full titanium back spacer. It's a numbered edition, of course, and it's made by Custom Knife Factory. Designed in by Barusha. Look at this, you can see the logo over here, and it's a beast of a knife. It's employing M390 steel in a satin harpoon with this beautiful swedge, and look at the hand rub satin finish on this blade. It's just gorgeous. Very big boy, thick stock in the blade, but look at the action. Like, this is like absolutely a guillotine effect going on. Nice finger groove, a lot of milling going on, some internal chamfering to reduce the weight, because this guy is it's a big boy. Nice titanium clip. It's nicely done. It's gonna be like sticking out this much from your pocket. You also got a stainless steel lock face insert right there. Nice geometry, looks pretty good to me. Blade is centered. I mean, nice little details going on in this one. It's really cool. Let's just check out what would be the weight of this big boy right over here real quick. And yeah, look at that, 8.32 ounces. Not a small boy by any means, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.